you got?
Ready?
Hey, what you doing?
I'm gonna drink hot sauce.
Why?
I'm gonna show Rudy that I can drink it faster.
That's right.
Got retarded. Go ahead.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
No water.
No water.
Mine's gone.
You cheated.
Yeah, you did cheat.
What?
Look,
Yeah,
she really
cheated.
drank that L.
Come on, look at mine, look at hers. Which one is it? Who's got more?
She sucked more.
Ha, you're funny. Who wins? Be honest.
No, it's
if you
who
win,
feels spicy
Nah,
first.
whoever drinks that wins.
Yep.
Alright.
I could drink it.
You gotta drink it.
Alright, grab Fridge's cup. Fridge, you gonna drink it or you gonna play with it?
Cheers, bro.
What is
Are you
that?
gonna drink it with me?
Yo, what is that?
Cheers.
What is that?
Alright, this is water,
Honey, grape
jelly, and you know what? Some ketchup too.
Oh,
Oh, Maddie, you're not doing that. Have some water.
Oh,
No
my
water?
God, that you nasty.
Okay.
Oh, bleh.
You nasty.
You ain't stir it, bro. It's on the bottom. It's on my bottom.
Let me see that. Let me
Here.
These kids are nasty.
Yo, you go ahead and do
That
that.
doesn't even look like V8. It doesn't look natural.
Okay.
This is when it happens when you get kidney stones.
This is what happens.
Just don't say that.
Ready?
Not really. Honestly, to tell you the truth. But
You already did it?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
My nigga Fridge did.
Ew, he did that. How it taste? No, for real, what it tastes like? Are you gonna throw up?
Go in the bathroom.
You ain't swallow, bro?
Go in the bathroom. You good?
How was it?
yes.
It tastes like tea if you warm it up.
Like what?
Tea. Straight like tea.
How it tastes like RudiSan, how it tastes like.
Like
You sure you have to go back?
like it was a lot of ketchup and jelly and honey.
They make you sick.
That would make you sick.
This is FridgeSan. You are the sensei today. What do you think about that, Joey-san?
And I'll be Joe and Ninja.
What do you think about that?
What's up?
Good night.
He doesn't.